The Rooiwal wastewater treatment plant, the facility has been faced by many challenges over the years, causing major water supply hurdles in Tshwane. Hammanskraal has been the hardest hit, with water that was declared unfit for human consumption at some point. The teams that inspected the plant reiterated that aged infrastructure crippled maintenance here. 22 million rand had been released for the upkeep of the plant annually since 2006, but this was not enough. The lack of capacity further intensified the problems, and now a new contractor, Ervat, is tasked to stabilize operations at Rooiwal.
The 4 phases, about 2.1 billion. Let's roll it out in different phases, and let's make sure that it's comprehensive, it's integrated, but also not separate maintenance.
The Ekurhuleni Water Care Company, Ervat, was appointed earlier this year.
We said to them, bring Ervat. For the last few years, it's only now in January that they brought Ervat after the Portfolio Committee National intervened. But after bringing Ervat, what did they do? They just appointed Ervat, but they didn't give Ervat a contract and a purchase order.
About 370 million rand had been allocated for the first phase of its work.
But parallel to that, we're going to have to then do a proper holistic design, modeling and so forth to look at even new technologies.
Cable theft had also put further pressure on the plant.
There's a bigger challenge than this. We had cable theft, whereas one of the substations that burned down. It took us 7 days to fix that substation, and the power to this plant was cut. So every time that there's a problem with the power, then we've got a problem with the sewage.
The project will help increase and improve the overall water supply capacity of the entire Tshwane municipality.
If we only resolve Hammanskraal, a week later we'll have the same problem in Mamelodi, in the city here. So the issue is to solve the water problem, and not only to provide quantities, but also give quality of water that is required.
The Tshwane administrator emphasized that finding a lasting, sustainable solution for the ongoing water challenges remain a big priority. Meanwhile, Ervat has been given 2 years to complete the upgrades at the plant. Patricia Fasahi, SABC News, north of Pretoria.